hope you're having a super great day today. So today I'm going to talk to you about Strip Clean laundry sheets. I'm so excited about this product. They are Australian owned company, always up for and so excited to support Australian companies, especially when I'm so passionate about them like I am about Strip Clean. They are completely eco-friendly and environmentally friendly. Their product comes in 100% recycled packaging, which is also 100% vegan and cruelty free, so I absolutely love that and I love to support that as well. Not only that, they do work fantastically well. They are so gentle on your clothes. So it comes in a box like this. You get 30 laundry sheets. So what makes these unique and different is that instead of using laundry powder or capsules or liquid, which can be really messy and annoying to measure, I know that it drives me insane. I can never get it right. So this is really great because they're pre-portioned sheets. So I'll show you what are inside. You get 30 sheets in a box. So here's a couple of them here. They are about your hand size. That is for one full load, but if you have a smaller load, you can really easily tear them in half. For a half load, or even if you've got a really small load, you can easily cut them up or tear them to your desired amount that you'd like to use. These do clean really well. I've been using them for a while now, and every time my clothes always come out looking so clean and fresh. They smell amazing. I should also mention these do come in scented or unscented. If you're not keen on fragrance laundry detergents, or if you're sensitive to it, that's completely fine. You can get unscented as well. You never have to worry about any of the residue being left on your clothes with these. These completely dissolve 100%. There's never anything left over behind. And for a box of 30 strip sheets, they do retail for $21.95, which is fantastic value when you consider how much laundry detergents and powders cost these days. They are quite pricey, but these are really great value because you can get so many washes out of them, no matter if you have a large load or a small load. They're really versatile like that, and they're great for the environment, great to support the local economy, cruelty-free, vegan. What more could you ask for? It's amazing, and they ship straight to your door, so convenient as well. You don't even have to go out to the shops, which I love. So the website is stripclean.com.au. I'll have it listed down the bottom here on the screen for you, so you can go and check that out. Make sure you follow them on their social media as well. And these have no parabens included or any harsh chemicals in them, which is great for the environment and great for your washing machines as well. They are compatible with both top and front loader washing machines, which is fantastic. They work for all machine types, which is great, which makes it so easy. You don't have to think about anything. You just pop them in the wash and they're going to clean your clothes so super well. Okay, that's it everybody. That's my full review of Strip Clean's laundry detergent sheets. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for you if you're considering an environmentally eco-friendly, chemical-free alternative to wash your clothes with. I know that's definitely the route that I want to go in and that I am going in moving forward into the future for a happier, greener planet for ourselves and our future generations. So more than happy to support that and get on board with that, and it's super great value as well. So you got nothing to lose there, and thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye.